Welcome to another Caketastic Cakes video. I'm going to be showing you today how to make a character from the first Lego movie, Vitruvius. Please subscribe so you can find me again, and it helps me out. And also don't forget to like it because that just makes me happy. Start out with your basic white pieces for the Legos. You're going to have the rectangle for the bottom. All I'm doing here is pressing down near the bottom to make the feet part that sticks out. Tool, I'm using my paintbrush up top to make the waist, the little Lego waist that they all have. Using my knife, I'm cutting out the seam for the legs. Well, not cutting out, just pressing and making the little crotch part too. For the top, I'm going to just cut a little wedge out of each side to make it tapered near the top, the way the Lego figures do. And all of this I'm shoving onto a lollipop stick. It's just an 8-inch one, I believe it is. Roll out the arms. As you can see here, you taper it on one end and have it get thick at the other. I'm jumping right into it. Okay, I told you we're going to move. We're making the head and the neck now. I have a very small little circle cutter that I use to make the neck because all the little Lego figures have their cute little neck. Shove it on that lollipop stick, add some water, just like always, and then press the head on. The head is basically just like a hot dog that I cut the end off of. These little mini hot dogs are going to become the hands. And then you roll out like a Tic Tac size and then roll them out and flatten them and press them on. Okay, we're doing the decorations now. This is an edible marker. It's food coloring marker. You make the circle and the long chain that's going to become his necklace. Then I take a black marker. It's brown. The necklace part is brown. This is black. Then I'm just making the line across, and then I'm going to make a bunch of vertical lines on him. It's his robe. It has like stripes on it, I guess. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's his clothes. And it had little brown tassels at the bottom. In the medallion, you can see I made 4 little corners and fill the center in with blue. And I think I mentioned tassels. Don't forget tassels. The beard is not so hard. It's basically like a number 8. Fat in the top, skinnier on the bottom, pinch it off, wrap a couple pieces around the middle, and don't forget to add some lines to make it look like beard hairs. But when you do the top, make sure you press down on the inside and leave the outside sticking up more, because that's kind of like where his mustache goes into his beard. And at the top of the beard, put a little divot in it so it presses down like his nose. For his hair, all I did was cut a circle out and put it on his head and then just start trimming and pressing. And just cut it out. That's all you do. Just keep working it and working it. All that got edited out, but it took me a really long time to do this, so don't feel bad. I'm just putting some hair marks with the knife, not the brush. Jeez. This is going to be his gray headband. Pretty straightforward. A long, thin strip of gray. Wrap it around his head. Boom, headband. Let's watch the magic. There it is. Look at that. Power of editing right there for you folks. Now he's going to have his 2 bushy white eyebrows. I think you can figure that out. This blue is very quickly going to be his cape. It has to be big enough to go around the back of him. I had to mail this so I couldn't have it sticking up too far. And with the food color marker for black, just 2 dots for the eyes and 2 little lines next to each eye to make his little wrinkles. And that's it. You got Vitruvius. He looks pretty cool. And once again, I know I say it all the time, it's not that hard to do. Just take your time with it. Like I said, these videos look so fast and easy, but they take me a lot of time. So don't feel bad. Keep trying. And if you found this helpful, once again, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.